Let's look under the surface of these moves and take a closer look at what's been going on this week. Jared Blikre at The Interactive has some details for us and maybe some new toys you're going to show us also?
Yes, well, I got some new tickers here. Maybe we'll have a chance to get into them. But first, let's go over the price action for the week. A bit negative here, not only today, but in this 4-day holiday shortened week. Here's the 4 days in the NASDAQ, down 1.5%. We're going to contrast that with the Dow, which is down 1.8%, so pretty similar in there. Now, interesting price reaction with, and we can see this in a lot of the heat maps. First of all 11 S&P 500 sectors are in the red. Real estate and energy are the two worst. Those are down over 4%. Utilities off more than 3%. Healthcare had been in the green earlier, but has now sunk into the red. So we saw a couple of defensive names in there, but for the most part, it has been a sea of red. Now, one exception in the leaders here, we have Bito. That's a Bitcoin ETF. And in fact, crypto has been popping this week. Home builders, not too bad either, but KWEB, sea of red over in China. Regional banks taking it on the chin. TAN, that's a solar ETF. Memes, we know what they are, an ARC disruption. All of those names flashing danger. But let's go to the one sea of green. And I was noting that in crypto, we had some ETFs for Bitcoin, spot Bitcoin ETFs filed this week, so we saw some positive price reaction there. This is only over the last 4 days. Let's check out the last 7. Bitcoin up 17%. But I'm going to now go through some of our stock heat maps. Here are the semiconductors. These have been flying high, but not this week. A number of these names coming off 6 straight days of losses. AMD is in that group, down 8% over this 4-day period, as well as Broadcom. That's down over the last 6 days as well. Here's ARK Invest, not doing that well. China, sea of red, as I said. Energy, a lot of red on your screen. Banks, similar story. So where are we seeing some green? A little bit of defensiveness in the RX. That is a pharmasphere. Some of the larger names do play that defensive role. Merck up 4%, Lilly up about 2%. Where else was I seeing some green? Guess what? Auto dealers, you might not expect it. You got to take out Carvana. Carvana's down 13%, but CarMax up 7%, AutoNation up 3%. Interesting mix to see home dealers, auto dealers, and crypto up, while just about everything else in the tank here.
Yeah, I don't know what
Bitcoin.
the sort of rhyme or reason is there.
Yeah, I don't think so.